We'll look at the warm-up on the way. Tammie.
Hey, I felt just like those kids this morning. Spring was here and I just couldn't do enough stuff. Oh my goodness, they were adorable. And our day was spectacular, wasn't it? Now, this is what you need to know. Moving forward, temperatures, what are we going to be looking at? Well, we're going to have a battle of the seasons. We're going to be warm, then cold, then warm, then cold. This is exactly what we see anytime we enter spring or fall. We get a little bit of a transition going there. So that's something that we're pretty much going to be dealing with all the way through early next week, almost every other day. Rain or snow? Well, it looks like the best chance of any precipitation this week is going to be rain, and it's going to be Saturday night and Sunday. Anything before then is going to be light, and it may not even cross the entire area. And we're going to be looking at windy conditions. It's going to be breezy on your Wednesday and your Sundays. So just put that in the back of your mind if you're planning any outdoor activities or you want to know when the bad hair day is. So we're taking a look at our radars as they sweep the sky. There's nothing really going on. We just have a little bit of clutter out here to the east of us. Everything is pretty quiet. But now let's go ahead and put the satellite into play, and you can see those clouds beginning to move into the area. Not quite to the shore yet, but definitely moving across Philadelphia at this point, and we're going to continue to see those clouds thicken overnight. We have a system that's come out of the upper Midwest. It's moving into the Ohio Valley. It will continue on into parts of the Tennessee Valley. That's really not going to bother us. Maybe we get clipped with some sprinkles. It looks like that will predominantly be perhaps for Delaware and South Jersey. It's not going to be a big deal. You may get a sprinkle tonight, tomorrow morning, maybe even tomorrow night. Let's go ahead and put the hour by hour into play here. So temperatures, they could get quite chilly at times as we head out into the mountain areas. And by tomorrow morning, you can see maybe a sprinkle or two around the area. For the most part, we're going to stay close to 40 at dawn in Philadelphia, a little bit cooler as you head off to the north and the west. But we're going to get into the afternoon. We're going to start to climb. Temperatures are going to make it well into the 50s. This forecast model is just a little shy of the mark because I do think we'll be a couple of degrees warmer than this. I think we'll see the mid and upper 50s across much of the area unless you're out toward, say, Mount Pocono where you have all that snow on the ground. Then we get into tomorrow night, and you can see that far, far, far away from us, that's where the snow is. We might see a sprinkle, but we cool down. The bigger thing is going to be after tomorrow night, Wednesday is going to be fierce. Look at this, 6:30 in the morning, 18 at Mount Pocono, 30 in Philadelphia. And it's going to be a brisk day. We may not make it out of the upper 30s on our Wednesday. So you're going to have to enjoy near 60 in some places tomorrow, and then returning to the upper 30s and low 40s, about a 20-degree drop in some areas by the time that we get into Wednesday. So that's your hour-by-hour forecast, just going through it, taking a look at everything that's going to go on. We get into Thursday, and Thursday is another chilly day. Let's look at the winds. The winds are out of the northwest for tonight, and they're fairly light, but they are going to start to pick up. Look at this. We go through Tuesday. The winds are calm in the morning. Then they really start to ramp up. And voila, we are going to be looking at wind gusts that could be anywhere from 15 to 20 miles an hour by the time that we get into Wednesday. Here's your 10-day trend. We are going to be looking at 58 tomorrow in Philadelphia, a little cooler north and west to the area, 39 on Wednesday, 42 on Thursday. At least we get sunshine both days. Then we hit 58 on Friday. Clouds move in. We'll see mix of sun and clouds on Saturday, 70. I just want you to focus on that 70 right there. We go back to the 40s on Sunday with rain. We see some rain on Monday, and then we start to climb back out of it by the time we get to the middle of next week.